Hello, this video is designed to give you an overview of the profile writing assignment and discuss step 1. Each step will have its own smaller video as you go along the process. So your writing assignment is to write a profile, and you're going to pick somebody who you admire to write about. And I'm going to go ahead and read the description. It says, "We have spent a lot of time talking about friendship. Some of the materials we used showed what it means to be a good friend, and some showed the exact opposite. A good friend is someone who has admirable qualities. This assignment will be for you to write a profile of someone you admire. Think about who displays characteristics you consider admirable. It may be someone you know personally, a friend or family member, or someone you don't know personally but have seen doing great things. Your assignment is to write a profile of that person." Directions. Here are the steps for the profile writing process. Be sure to complete each step in order. Step 1, preview the whole assignment and look at the scoring guide. A wise student will always get an overview of what you're going to be doing in total and see what you will be graded on each of the different categories. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Step 2, you're going to brainstorm characteristics and names of people you admire. A lot of times people just say, I already have my idea, and they don't consider other ideas. So even though you might have someone in mind already, I still want you to brainstorm at least 5 characteristics and people that might fit those characteristics. Then you're going to read some examples of profiles that have been published in Time magazine. That's step 3. After that, you're going to read some examples that other middle schoolers have written to this same assignment so you can see what that might look like. Then you're going to pre-write. So in other words, plan out your writing. You're going to pick that person and do some thinking before you actually start writing your profile. After you've done the pre-writing and you've got a good plan, step 6, you'll write a rough draft. And your rough draft will actually be typed, but it'll still be in a form that will be ready to be changed and improved. Step 7, you'll get a peer edit where you'll have one of your peers actually look it over and give you some input. Step 8, you're going to get some adult feedback, somebody who is a good editor from home. And then step 9, you're going to finish all of your revisions and editing, get it the best that you can get it, and you're going to be submitting it. So that is the overview of the assignment that you're going to be doing. We will be working on up through the rough draft stage before Thanksgiving, and then we'll be doing the editing and revising and getting the feedback after Thanksgiving. So that next what we're supposed to do is look at the scoring guide. This is actually a link, and you can click on that link and see what the scoring guide is going to look like. It looks like overall you're going to be graded on organization, how well your idea is focused, details, language, conventions. Okay, and then it looks like the points here, the best that you can get in each of these categories is 5 points. And then that would be kind of like you got it. So whatever I'm thinking that you should be able to do in your writing by the end of the project is exactly what you did. A 3 points would be you sort of got it. So you've done some things good. Some things well, and some things maybe could be improved. That's a 3 points. If you were kind of far off, that's where you would get 2 points. That means you don't really get it. You're trying it, but you didn't really get it. And then if it's completely missing, then you would only get 1 point. So I just want to go over the 5s. We're not going to read this entire thing together, but this is what you're shooting for. For organization, you want to be able to grab your reader and preview topics in a unique way, an interesting way. In the body of it, it should be easy to follow. And for the conclusion, it should review and complement the information, and it has a sense of closure. For the focus of your topic, it should clearly stays focused on one topic or person, and the main ideas are clearly on topic, and you have unique, admirable characteristics. For the details, they're on topic, unique, clearly connect to the characteristics. You thoroughly use details and examples to show what you mean. For language, it is very precise in many spots. It helps communicate in an interesting way. And for the style, it's appropriate for the audience and is consistent. And your audience is your teachers and other 7th graders. And conventions, that's basically editing. Almost no mistakes in capitalization, grammar, usage, punctuation, spelling, and sentence structure. And then here's the formatting. It needs to be 12 to 16 Times New Roman font, title and author, and right where they're supposed to be. You have a picture, and it's going to be 1 page or less. So the other thing you should know, if you are enrolled in the Advanced Studies course, this is going to be a paper out of 25 points. If you are enrolled in the grade level course, this paper is worth 20 points. And this is the grading scale. What that means is if you are in advanced studies, you are, in order to get an A, you are shooting for the 5s straight down the column. Because you need to have 22.5 points. You have to have a 23, 24, 25 to get an A. If you are in grade level course, you need to shoot for at least 4s straight down the column. And if you get any 5s, that's going to be a bonus. And so that's what that means. So that means that we have previewed the assignment and we've done the scoring guide, so we're done with step 1.